This is the dark reaction Calvin cycle. It all starts off with a little input. The input is carbon dioxide. This has one carbon in it. And what it does is it combines with RuBP, which has 5 carbon in it, to create the 6 carbon molecule. But because the 6 carbon molecule is unstable, it instantly breaks, hence why it doesn't have a name. This breaks into PGA, which are 3 carbons, and what this does is it gains energy through ATP and NADPH's electrons and hydrogen, and this creates G3P, which is still 3 carbon. These two 3 carbons will combine together and drop off 1 carbon, which will be used to make glucose. Then the rest will go over here, go through the process of ATP energy to combine back into RuBP. Now there are 3 sections to this Calvin cycle. Carbon fixation, which is where they combine RuBP with carbon dioxide and turn carbon dioxide to turn carbon dioxide to from a gas to a solid. So this would be from gas to solid. Then, because you're getting the ATP and the NADPH's electron, it makes it negative, so it means it has a reduction. So carbon fixation, reduction, then it's regeneration, where the 5 carbon, after it's dropped off with the 1 carbon, will regenerate, hence why regeneration, back to RuBP. This process goes 6 times around to form glucose, since every time you get 1 carbon in, you get 1 carbon out, and if you do this 6 times, you get the 6 carbon you need for glucose. Finally, this dark reaction is called the Calvin cycle because it was found out by Melvin Calvin. It also describes the process. Heads up, there's also an enzyme that occurs in carbon fixation called rubisco. This will help bond the CO2 with the RuBP, hence why it's called rubisco.